We are right now in Yeniköy Sarıyer. My left hand side is Tarabya and right hand side is İstinye. It is the most beautiful place in Istanbul to walk, to enjoy, to breathe in the air inside. On the other side you see Asian side. Here is the European side, two continents, ships are passing, birds. Since Fatih Sultan Mehmet conquered Istanbul, as Turkish people, we enjoy Istanbul as you see. Istanbul is a big city. There are 39 cities. 25 of them on the European side, 14 of them is on the Asian side. And there are few cities of them, Sarıyer, Beşiktaş, Beyoğlu, Beykoz, Üsküdar. These cities has advantage. They are on the Bosphorus. There are only 600 Bosphorus houses which can reach to the water. Today we will see one of them. From Tarabya to İstinye we are walking now. In Tarabya there is Tarabya Hotel, one of the most famous hotel there. You can stay there when you come to Istanbul. I can advise you, it's on the Bosphorus also. On this line there are many restaurants to enjoy. Also there is these bikes. This is a service by Ispark, Istanbul municipality. You can rent these bikes and cycle and return it to some other location as well. And there are scooters, e-scooters. We will see one of them. It's coming. You can rent these as well on the applications. Right side is Tarabya, left side is İstinye. And when you go further, you reach to Bebek. It's Sarıyer city, and this street is Köybaşı Caddesi. Köybaşı Street. On this street, there are Bosphorus houses. Each house has its own entrance, own parking place, and today we will see this house. It's a cute building, detached. In this place we have a parking place. You can park around 3 cars over here. It needs little bit renovation, but after these renovations it will be amazing house to live. The most amazing point is not only the house, the location. We are on the water. On the seaside, you can rope your own boat. It can be sandal, it can be motor yacht, but you can rope it freely. It's your own house. You can make a fishing over here. We directly enter from the seaside to the living room. It's a 2 level of living room. You can make this side like sitting area for the TV, and this side can be a nice dining area with a nice 2 chairs maybe reaching to the garden. And the height of the ceiling is around 3.5 meter, maybe almost 4 meters. This is something good about this Bosphorus house. And now we pass to kitchen. The ground floor is only living room and kitchen and guest toilet. This kitchen is actually quite large. I can say it's a small living room size over here, and we have the private reach to the back side. Maybe it's good for the service. You know, in this kind of houses, there are many maids, drivers, they are working on these houses. This kitchen needs some renovation. It's a little bit old now. Everything needs to be changed, but you have this space. You can change. I want to show first the bedroom which is on the sea. There is a nice bedroom over here. The size of this room is around 16 meters square, and it has its own private balcony. Upstairs, you get wider view. When we go more up, we see all right side, left hand side. We see the ships, Asian side. It's nice. Good feeling. So we are explaining the bedroom over here. This is master bedroom. Nice sea view. There is nice mirror increasing the view in the bedrooms. This is an advice. Also on behind this door, I cannot show it now because we don't have light in the house. Nobody is living over here. Here, right side, walk-in wardrobe. And left side, there's a big bathroom with a big circle jacuzzi inside. It's a full master bedroom. And over here, we have 3 more rooms and one bathroom for these bedrooms, shared bathroom. On our right hand side, it's a small bedroom. And this small bedroom, they made a small bathroom. It's nice looking. I guess they were using this room as a walk-in wardrobe for the master bedroom. So all wardrobes here, it's a normal bedroom size. You can change it, but it's a good idea. In my house, I'm also using one of the room like this. Another bedroom over here. It's afternoon. You can see we are getting light. You can see the street from here. We have one more floor. I will take you to over there. I like these top windows. And this is one of the best one. Velux brand. They're automatic. You click the buttons, they automatically opens and you can close them. If you put your bed over here, you can see the stars at night. This room is around, I guess, 50 meters square. And on this space, we have nice terrace, open air terrace. And this open air terrace, we are getting nice sun. We have more wider view. This is a nice house. We have seen it. It's 5 bedrooms, 450 meters square, garden, 10 meters of the seaside. But as you saw, it needs some renovation. This house's tech price is $15 million. And if you spend around $200,000, everything will be changed. From the living room, kitchen, all bedrooms, gardening, you cannot imagine how it will look like and the value will increase. Thank you for watching us.